I got that California.
I had to get down to the street.
Clean your nose.
There! Take that!
Kill him!
Mona had come through here. The dead cleaner's a sign of her
Open
passage.
the door! Somebody! I'm gonna burn alive in here!
Goddamn slime bags, open up! There are people trapped in— Oh, the sons of bitches have locked the door! You coming to my rescue?
Something like that. I need to get out.
You could probably get out through a window on the 3rd floor. More of them! Bastards!
You can't hide!
The gas valve was in the utility room. With the gas turned off, the fire on the 3rd floor was no longer a problem.
Fire! Fire! Get me out of here! Oh, bless you. I owe you one.
This is where the fun starts.
Yeah, no sweat. Used to be on the job. I was a cop like you.
All right, follow my lead.
Where you from here?
Can't hide forever.
I was a cop like you.
All right, follow my lead.
You can't hide!
too.